health channel. In this video, I want to explain banana diet for weight loss. This video, I want to explain about banana diet for weight loss. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's begin. Okay, so after making our banana diet, so banana, it contains also honey, and the importance of honey is that in honey helps to prevent craving for fatty foods. So this diet here, I'll also try it. It's very delicious. So this diet here, you're going to enjoy it, but also it is good for weight loss. So this diet, make sure that you make it in the morning, you eat it in the morning and also in the evening. You must continue like this. So after taking this diet, you start to see changes after 5 days until 1 week. But if you see there's no changes, make sure that you go to the hospital, because there are other conditions which might cause weight gain. For example, Cushing syndrome. Which Cushing syndrome, it is caused due to long-term use of medications, and which medication, it is steroids. But also we have other conditions such as polycystic ovarian syndrome, which can also cause weight gain. But also we have hypothyroidism, and also using of some drugs can cause weight gain. So make sure that you go to consult with a doctor so they can give you the appropriate treatment. But also you can use this banana diet for weight loss. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.